I'll break through with my own strength. Time to warm up. Red flower technique type 1. Falling plum blossom. I'll shred you!
The strongest healer has appeared!
You think I'm going to miss? I'll end it. Now! Flash! Red flower technique type 1. Falling plum blossom. You think I'm going to miss? He's stronger than I imagined. Too slow. I'll end it. Now! It's over. Flash. You think I'm going to miss? I'll shred you! Tearing through! Red flower technique type 1. Falling plum blossom. I'll cut you in an instant. It was a good fight.